can vacation rental data analysis boost your profits? Discover how leveraging data analysis can significantly enhance your property's profitability. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Vacation rental data analysis is one of the biggest tools in the armory. It allows owners to streamline strategies, create better guest experiences, and thereby ensures maximum profit. In this episode, I will discuss the vital role of data analysis in the vacation rental business. Transform your property into a lucrative vacation rental with our Vacation Ventures, Turning Property into Profitable Rentals course. The awesome news is that it has been revitalized and relaunched. Ideal for both newcomers and seasoned owners, this 10-module course offers 59 lessons designed to elevate your rental business. Dive into expert insights with engaging videos, convenient MP3s, and comprehensive PDFs covering everything from location analysis to crisis management. Stand out in the vacation rental market by mastering key strategies and best practices. Whether you're starting out or aiming to enhance your property's appeal, join us to unlock the full potential of your investment. Click the link now to see how you'll benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your vacation rental business. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. For a vacation rental owner, understanding and using data can reveal patterns and trends that are not observable otherwise. For example, the analysis of booking data can help an owner find peak seasons for booking. In this way, vacation rental owner may notice a surge in bookings during maybe a local festival. By analyzing such data, they can jack up their rates at that time and create special packages to draw in more people. This is not only good for occupancy rate and room nights, but also for maximizing revenue. Data and guest experience. Data analysis in the vacation rental business can also support customer service through the identification and elimination of pain points. Analyzing guest reviews and feedback will help you determine the areas guests love so that you can continue to implement them, so that you can continue to improve and build upon them. For instance, if the data shows the most common comment is about property cleanliness, then the proper thing to do is make sure that cleaning services are superb. On the other hand, if guests comment most on Wi-Fi service, be sure to invest in a better internet service. That can go a long way towards satisfying guests and getting favorable reviews. Pricing strategy. Pricing is critical. It helps owners optimize their pricing strategies around seasonality, local events, and competitors' rates, among other factors. Owners can track these factors, and based on their dynamics, the price can change to optimize occupancy and revenue. Imagine you know in real time what price your competitors are selling at, and at that moment you can make a dynamic change in your rates so as to be competitive without risking losing potential reservations. Data can guide data insights. Data analysis enables operations to run smoothly by supporting the identification of inefficiencies and areas that need improvement. Data analysis across maintenance schedules and inventory management could provide insights into the necessary steps to save time and costs. For instance, the analysis of repair requests could indicate that some specific issues are frequent in guest complaints. Solving such issues proactively will save you money on repairs in the long run. Knowing what is consumed in your inventory will help you realize what you're running out of and prevent any last-minute rushes to buy supplies in order to provide a flawless guest experience. Marketing data for improved outreach. Effective marketing is essential for attracting guests and boosting bookings. Data analysis is crucial for creating targeted campaigns. By understanding the demographics and behavior of your target audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts for better reach. For instance, analyzing data to compare the performance of different marketing channels can reveal that social media campaigns generate more engagement and bookings than email campaigns, justifying a shift in resources. Additionally, knowing guest demographics allows for crafting personalized messages that have a greater impact on potential guests. Predictive analysis for future planning. Predictive analysis is built on historic data analysis to predict future trends. For vacation rental owners, this may be a critical utility for planning. By predicting booking trends, owners can base future decisions on upgrading property, launching marketing campaigns, or pricing initiatives. Imagine knowing in advance booking tendencies go down for 1 month. An owner can then set up special deals or events during that time to beat that drop in income. Similarly, an early warning of high demand periods allows suitable arrangements to be made to ensure properties are guest ready and well maintained. Feeling stuck in the vacation rental rut? Break free with our groundbreaking guide, Unpacking Your Property, the top 25 secrets to vacation rental properties. This isn't just another manual. It's a revelation that will change the way you view your rental. Discover industry secrets that can catapult your property to success. Grab your free copy now and start the transformation. Are you currently using vacation rental data analysis? Tell me about it in the comments below. Vacation rental data analysis has ceased to be an option in vacation rental world, but has rather become compulsory if you tend to be competitive in the business and optimize profitability. This is how owners can make the guest experience better, price more accurately, run more efficient operations, and market effectively. Ultimately, data analysis tools empower vacation rental owners with the capability to make informed decisions regarding success and growth. In the next episode, I will be talking about setting realistic and achievable goals. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.